Hi everyone. So let's discuss about one of the very important data analysis library available in a Python like a pandas library. So what is pandas? So pandas is a library which is built on the top of the Python programming language. It is one of the open source project available in a Python. It is coming under the BSD license. It is one of the very high performance data analysis library, and it is one of the great tool available in a Python programming language for the data analysis. So you can consider this pandas as something like Excel, which is working inside the Python. And as you are dealing with data through this Python programming language, you have a much more control over the data. So this project has been completely sponsored by the company like NumFocus. You can go to this particular link of this NumFocus, numfocus.org/sponsor project, and you can see about what other project they are sponsoring. So why this pandas has been created on the top of this Python programming language? So Python is very good at data munging and data preparation kind of operation. But data analysis and data modeling related tasks, Python is not very good. So generally, after doing this munging and a preparation, we have to use the another data analysis tool like a R. And every time this data scientists and analytics people have to import all those output from this munging and preparation operation to specifically analysis tool like an R, and again bring back to all those data into Python. So pandas will solve and trying to replace somewhat this R programming language. I won't say like a replacement of R, but some of the data analysis related tasks we are doing in R programming language has been replaced by this pandas library, so that one should not need to go back between R and a Python, between Python and R, and every single data analysis, data preparation, data munging, all those kind of operation can be performed inside this whole Python environment only. So that is what the basic idea why pandas has been created. Now let's see some of the feature of this pandas library. So pandas library has a three very important data types are available, like a series data type, one-dimensional data type, data frame, a two-dimensional data type to perform operation on a tabular kind of structure, and multiple tables like a panel data type, which is nothing but the three-dimensional data type. All those three data types we will see into great detail throughout this whole course. It has a IO tools are available so that you can transfer your data between memory and your hard disk in variety of different file formats like a CSV, Excel or a SQL. Handling of missing data in your data set. You can reshape your data. There is a good mechanism are available related to slicing, or rather than just indexing like a numeric indexing like a 0 to 100, there is a fancy indexings are available in a pandas. You can subset your data. High performance merging and a joining operation you can perform in this pandas. It is very much optimized for the performance because many of the functions written in a pandas, which is written on the top of this core library C, and those we are using in a pandas library. So it is very much optimized for the performance perspective. Hierarchical access indexing. There is a time series related functionalities are available to deal with different time series data. Okay, so these are some of the pandas features and a very high level overview why this panda has been created.